Hey everyone, Luke Jarman here with another Palo Alto Networks Power Up session. Today I want to discuss everybody's favorite topic of phishing. And while I'm sure we're all sick of hearing about phishing attacks, the unfortunate reality is these are very easy to distribute and execute from an attacker's perspective, and they're still incredibly damaging when they are successful. And while you can block most known IP addresses or URLs or emails associated with phishing, this is a reactive approach because the reality is an attacker can spin up a domain and an email address very, very quickly, far quicker than you're ever able to categorize it. So what I want to show you today is a unique capability we have with Palo Alto Networks where we can detect phishing attacks in real time. So here I'm a user that's received an email that's made it through any prevention that you've got as a first line of defense. As a user, it looks legitimate enough to me. So I click the link and I'm taken to a login page, which again, looks perfectly fine. And being a user that knows no better, I try and sign in, but the firewall's blocked me. Now, this URL is benign from the firewall's perspective. What's actually happened here, the firewall has detected a corporate password leaving the firewall to a URL category that we don't want it to. And the reason we're able to do that is because we have a unique integration with Active Directory that only Palo Alto Networks has, where we're able to understand what corporate password looks like, therefore blocking a potential successful phishing campaign. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to know more about preventing phishing attacks, please head over to our YouTube channel. Or if you'd like to see an upcoming live demo, please sign up via the links in this post. Thank you.